Hey there, Tristan here. This is a short for Boom Games 7480. He had a question about these oil galley plugs. The stock ones don't tend to leak, but we put a nice brass one in to change to a 1/8 NPT. Here's the wiring, and you can see we've added an extension so that we can go to where we've relocated the sensor. The reason we move things around is because this particular spot is perfect for a high quality sensor, one that can give us the exact oil pressure. So here's a 5-volt oil pressure sensor with a great resolution up to 150 psi. This is the best spot to tap into to get an accurate oil pressure signal, because it's right above the oil pump, which is crank driven. This is the crank. Your oil pump's actually right behind here, and this is the first place it goes. So we get a nice clean oil pressure signal with a good sensor that we'll wire in. But we want to keep the initial sensor because it does light up a dash light, and I'll show you where that is. So here at the back of the motor, here's the original sensor plumbed back here. There's another oil galley plug. You take the plug out and you can fit the fitting and the sensor right there. And then of course there's the electrical connection that we've added. The reason I keep this original sensor is because when I'm priming the motor after a lot of engine work, when we first put oil in the engine, we want to make sure we see oil pressure before the engine starts. So this dash light lets me see when we have enough oil pressure for the engine to then start up. So it is still useful in some situations.